Algebra F, lesson 33 is just unit multipliers again, but using more than one. So use 2 unit multipliers, not just one, but 2 unit multipliers to, in this case, convert from kilometers to centimeters. So you might need your conversion table out. How do I set up this first one here? First we need, what are we starting with? 1.4, show the label in your work. Kilometers over 1 times. Now, this is called a unit multiplier, and it helps us convert. We make sure kilometers are the denominator y, because we need to be able to cross them out. And we're going from kilometers to centimeters. Using 2 means we'll probably go to our base unit first, and then to centimeters. Meters to kilometers, which one's only 1? There's more meters. So how many meters in a kilometer? 1,000. Now you see why we're using 2, because that, to jump any further than 1,000 is too much. And then we're going to need another one over here, our second unit multiplier, getting us to our final centimeters answer. We've got our kilometers canceled out. Now we need to cancel out meters. And we're going to centimeters. How many centimeters in a meter? Centa, 100. We don't have anything to cancel out the centimeters, so they're in our final answer. Our final answer will be 1.4 times 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 1,400 times another 100, so add 2 more zeros. So 14,000. Is that right? 140,000 centimeters. Convert 4 square feet to square inches. This is area. Again, we're going to need more than one unit multiplier, but now it's because we're using square measurements. This is the same as number 4 square feet to square inches. This is example 33.4 on page 110. Okay, so we start as always with our 4 feet to convert, but they're not just feet, they're square feet, which is like feet times feet. And to cancel out feet times feet, our first unit multiplier needs feet on the bottom, and we're converting to inches. So how many inches in a foot? 12. So far nothing's different. But when we're doing feet times feet, I need to be able to cross out my 2. And I haven't done that yet. I've only crossed out 1 foot. So we got to cross it out again. And we set up an identical unit multiplier, just like the one we had just used. And we cancel out a second time. So what we actually have for a final answer is 4 times 12 times 12. What's our label? 2 inches multiplied by them each other would be like inches squared. And that's how we do area. And then 4 times 12 times 12 comes to 576 inches squared. Take a look at the other 2 examples on page 110. The key to remember is feet squared, or anything squared, is sort of like feet times feet. So you have to do the unit multiplier once and then again, so that you can cancel them both times and find your final answer. Do both practice problems like we've been doing, because they're short and important. So A and B, please. Talk to me if you have any questions.